Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create QR code for location in Google Maps. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, open up the Google Maps application and then you have to pin your location, your particular location. If you don't know how to do that, you have to simply select your location and click on whatever location you want, and you can see this has enabled our drop down menu. You can tap on this share location and you can simply copy this to clipboard. Just tap on this copy to clipboard, click on this share here, and as you can see, copy to clipboard. Once you are done, you have to simply open up your Google Chrome. Do it just simply by typing here QR code, tap on the search bar, QR code monkey.com, tap on it. You have to go for this official website, which is QR code monkey, tap on it. So here you just have to paste your copied link like this. After that, you can see we have generated the QR code. You can simply tap on this download QR, and now you can select JPG, PNG, SVG, whatever file you want. Just simply select your file and tap on this download, and your QR code will be downloaded. So that's how to create QR code for location in Google Maps. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.